Hello, Ajan Andy, Wibamma. Hello, my name is Andy. How are you? Let's talk about the Liangmai language.
Lianglad.
The Liangmai language, natively called Lianglad, is a Tibeto Burman tongue of the Zemeic or Western Naga subgroup, primarily spoken in the Indian states of Manipur and Nagaland. As of the 2011 census, there are around 49,800 native speakers, mostly found in Manipur's Tamenglong headquarters, Tamei subdivision, Senapati district, and areas near Imphal, as well as in Nagaland's Tening subdivision, Jaluke and Peren districts in Dimapur and Kohima. Liangmai is mutually intelligible across its dialectal range in Manipur and Nagaland, although minor regional variations exist from village to village. Structurally, it is an agglutinative language with a subject-object-verb or SOV word order, and shares close linguistic ties with neighboring Naga languages such as Maram, Rongmei, Poumai, Thangal, and Zeme. Phonologically, it comprises 6 vowels and 20 consonant phonemes. Despite the language's vitality in rural and tribal areas, shifting socio-cultural dynamics, particularly the influence of Christianity and dominant regional languages, present challenges to its intergenerational transmission, making documentation and preservation efforts increasingly important. The Liangmai are one of the indigenous Naga tribes, predominantly residing in the western and northwestern regions of Manipur, especially in the districts of Nonei, Kampokpi, Senapati, and Tamenglong, and also in parts of Nagaland such as Peren district, with a population of approximately 60,000 as of 2011. The Liangmai are closely associated with the larger Zeliangrong group in the region. Etymologically, Liangmai combines Liang means support or people grouped as one, and Mai meaning people, symbolizing communal unity and mutual assistance, though it may also be interpreted as people from the north. Traditionally, the Liangmai lived in close-knit village communities governed by customary laws and were known for their warrior culture, which is reflected in their grandest festival, Chaga Ngee, was historically a post-war purification festival that honored bravery and renewed communal spirit. Today, it serves as a cultural revival event, showcasing traditional songs, dances, attire, and games. Although modern Liangmai society has been heavily influenced by Christianity, leading to a decline in many ancestral customs, the community continues to value its roots with growing efforts to preserve their language, oral traditions, and cultural heritage amidst changing times. In the next part, let's listen to the beautiful sounds of their language. Numbers.
Khat, Nia, Sum, Madai, Mangiu, Charuk, Chania, Tachat, Chakyu, Kariu.
Greetings and phrases.
Kawibon Swan, Kawibon Ning, Kawibo Chuan, Mangwilo, Wibamma, Wibame Nangdi Wibamma, Ngauta Mating Mini, Nazan De Kulo, Ajan Rosie, Tek Tuluma, Sauram Milo, Itapon Maye, Nang Lianglad Sima, Tuan Kiwe, Nang Tu Chalung Saye, Mau Mini, Chalung Sa Ziu.
Vocabulary.
Nang, Rikang, Riliu, Aliu, Nangliu, Paliu, Haisi, Wikausi, Haiga, Wiga, Apiu, Apui, Apau, Ape, Asai Kariu Piu, Asai Kariu Pui, Anapiu, Anapui, Jamai, Mai Piu Lung, Mai Pui Lung, Chikamai, Kati Pau, Arikati Namai, Chamik, Chakon, Tanyu, Chaman, Chihiu, Chapi, Tatham, Tazu, Chabing, Chingen, Tathi, Tomina, Kabak, Matom, Kami, Taza, Marui, Nthigna, Chakha, Charaping, Tapili, Singbang, Singniu, Charasi, Keheng, Kamau, Kamazin, Kamadyak, Kaka, Katik, Kazan, Ning, Tingkum, Naimik, Chahiu, Chagan, Chami, Tadui, Tinghai, Kadi, Tingen, Samudru, Malong, Moy, Mazat, Ngang, Panay, Urampamja, Palamra, Kagong, Kasan, Na.
The Lord's Prayer.
Rapyugu Rathoy, Tingen Lam Bambo Aliupiu, Nazan Masanbo Tiumilo, Nawangdi Wangkyubo Tiulo, Tingen Lam Nachunbo Kum, Gadi Gadi Nachunbo Tiulo, Thainai Aliu Tiubuibo Pikailo, Aliu Kuga Maukai Maitu, Aliu Niu Kwok Kaibo Kumziu, Aliu Maudi Kwok Kailo, Kehiam Boga Aliu Tu Jukai Tulo, Judi Kasa Boga Su Aliu Tu Gukailo, Palamra Nawangdi, Napumtan Khadi Nakendi Bo Tingteng Tiumilo. Amen.